Before we dive into today's topic, a huge thank you to all of you. We've just hit 1,000 subscribers on CyberTutor. Your support, questions, and enthusiasm for cybersecurity keep this channel growing. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and be part of our growing cybersecurity community. Now let's get into it. What is the Zero Trust security model and why is it so important? The Zero Trust security model is a modern cybersecurity approach based on a simple principle. Never trust, always verify. This means that no one and nothing inside or outside a network is automatically trusted. Every request for access must be authenticated, authorized, and continuously monitored. Every user, device, and application must be verified before gaining access. Traditional cybersecurity models assume that everything inside a corporate network was safe and only needed protection from external threats. But with remote work, cloud computing, and cyber threats evolving, attackers no longer just come from outside. They can be inside the network due to phishing attacks, insider threats, or malware infections. Zero Trust works by applying several key security principles. Verify every user. Strong authentication methods like multi-factor authentication, MFA, ensure that only authorized users gain access. Least privilege access. Users only get the minimum access required for their job. No unnecessary permissions. Continuous monitoring. Even after access is granted, user behavior is continuously analyzed to detect suspicious activity. Cyber threats like ransomware, insider attacks, and data breaches are increasing. The Zero Trust model reduces risk by blocking unauthorized access, preventing lateral movement, and securing sensitive information. Protects against stolen credentials. Attackers can't use leaked passwords alone to break in. Limits damage from insider threats. Even if an insider goes rogue, they won't have full system access. Enhances cloud and remote security, essential for today's work-from-anywhere environments. The Zero Trust security model is a game changer in cybersecurity. It eliminates the outdated idea of trusting internal users and devices and replaces it with constant verification, least privilege access, and continuous monitoring. This is why many companies, governments, and cybersecurity professionals are adopting Zero Trust as the new standard for security. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our cyber news blog on Substack, where we provide daily cybersecurity insights in a summarized format. Again, thank you all for 1,000 subscribers. Let's keep learning and growing together. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next episode. Until next time, stay secure and keep learning.